Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Friends, today I will share Puma Lover reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Puma Lover is gaining the attention of individuals in countries like Australia, the United States and Canada. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are barbecue baskets, kitchen decoration, manual fruit juicer, kitchen tools, and so forth, and the prices of the products are too good to believe. Now let's talk about other information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal, credit and debit cards. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that they deliver the products in 7 to 15 days after the shipment, and the shipping over $49 is free, and the shipping fee varies from country to country, and the estimated time for your order to arrive is 7 to 15 days. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the product. So guys, Puma Lover have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 19th May 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new. Now, let's take a look at About Us section. So Puma Lover helps you in expressing yourself since they know what you want of high value products, so they got covered with highly professional suppliers and production houses that keep in close contact with and vet daily so that they fulfill intense selection process. So whatever you are looking for, they plan to have it there for you, and if it's not, then hit us up and let us know so we can negotiate or produce the best deal for you in no time. Now let's check the way to contact them. So an email ID is provided along with the contact number, and in terms and conditions section, Puma Lover has mentioned that its parent's company name is Bumper Limited, and that is also by taking a screenshot of the company's name instead of directly writing the company's name on its website. Normally, the scam website have provided their company's address in that way so that no one can find them by copying pasting it on Google. Now let's check the return policies. For return, they accept the request for 30 days after the delivery of the product, and refund will be initiated within certain time period. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the customer reviews guys, so many positive customer reviews are available on the official page of the website. But on other reliable websites, we could not find even a single Puma Lover reviews. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that Puma Lover is not a reliable site and the shopper run the risk of receiving the counterfeit products or nothing at all. Therefore, we recommend our viewers to stay away from such website. However, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kinds of scams. After all, we are here to spread awareness about these scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay informed.